Okay, so before we go to the next picture, let me show you two different ways to create this black and white effect. So let me hide this one. Click on the layer and you can go to Image, Adjustments, and click on the black and white. Basically, it's the same, but it's a destructive way of doing this. And you can use some presets here and play with the presets. Now I'm just scrolling through the presets to see which ones look better. Okay, that's one. And the other one, you can go to Image, Adjustment, Hue and Saturation, Control U on Windows, Command U on Mac, and dial down the saturation.